Now our next topic is emergence of power bloc. As I told you, as soon as Second World War ended, Soviet Union and USA, both the side now started to form different power blocs. And the first power bloc was formed in the year 1949, that was by USA with West European countries. Then again, in the year 1954, they formed another power bloc, that was SEATO, that was formed with South Asian countries. All the South Asian countries and USA formed a power bloc, that is SEATO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization. Then again in 1955, in Baghdad, a pact was signed, that is called Baghdad Pact, or you can say CENTO. CENTO means Central Asian Treaty Organization. Okay. So now in response to USA, Soviet Union also formed a power bloc, that is called Warsaw Pact in 1955. Thus, due to formation of these power blocs, there was a situation of war-like situation, or you can say situation which we call Cold War. As I told you, Cold War never became a hot war. That was due to logic of difference, logic of deterrence. Both the side knew very well that both the side had the capacity to fight with each other. Now the question is, does it mean Cold War never became hot? No. क्या इसका मतलब ये है कि कोल्ड वार कभी हॉट वार नहीं हुआ? ऐसा भी नहीं था. जिस पीरियड में कोल्ड वार चल रहा, दैट इज 1945 के बाद, आई मीन सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद. कब तक चला ये? 1990 तक, आई मीन टिल डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सोवियत यूनियन. जब तक सोवियत यूनियन डिसइंटीग्रेशन नहीं हुआ, तब तक whole world was divided into two groups. You can say it was a bipolar world. मगर क्या इसका मतलब यह है कभी लड़ाई नहीं हुआ? ऐसा भी नहीं था. बीच बीच में हम लोग देख रहे हैं लड़ाई भी हुआ. कोल्ड वार सिचुएशन ऑल्सो टर्न्ड इनटू हॉट वार. When? So as I told you, Cold War also turned into hot war. The first confrontation started in Korea. You know, Korea is now divided into two parts. One is called North Korea, other is called South Korea. And the first confrontation started during 1950 and it continued till 1953. One group, North Korea, was given help by Soviet bloc and South Korea was given help by USS power bloc, and finally this confrontation was ended. That means Cold War also turned into hot war. Then over the question of Berlin, where is Berlin? ये Berlin कहाँ है? It is in Germany. I must go back. थोड़ा सा पीछे बढ़ाना है. You know, Germany got defeat in the Second World War. Hitler was defeated. Hitler had committed suicide, and after that Second World War, Germany was divided into two parts. One part that was called West Germany, that was supported by USA and its ally, and the other part was called East Germany, that was given support by Soviet bloc. Now the question was, who will take Berlin? Over the Berlin issue, there was now again confrontation between Soviet bloc and USS power bloc, and this confrontation, which started in the year 1958 and lasted till 1962. Then again there was confrontation over the question of Cuba in 1962. I have told you, Cuban Missile Crisis. USA wanted to remove Fidel Castro from Cuba. And as soon as Soviet Union came to know, they installed military base, missile base. And over this question of Cuban Missile Crisis, there was again confrontation between Soviet bloc and USA's power bloc in 1962. Thus, what we see, it was, as I told you, it was Cold War, but don't think it was completely a Cold War. Sometime Cold War also turned into hot war. That was over the question of Korea, North Korea, South Korea, over the question of Cuba, as well as over the question of Berlin. Okay. Now our next topic will be formation of NAM, Non-Aligned Movement.